be showing you how to find lesson plans and information on specific content areas on the Utah Core Standards site. So we'll just go on here, and then as you can see here, UEN gives all of the information on teaching these specific content areas. So for the water cycle in specific, we'll go to kindergarten, and under science, as you can see, it gives all the different standards, all the objectives. So what we'll be doing today is going to objective 2, communicating science, communicating effectively using science, language, and reasoning. So to go to find the lesson plans and all of the ideas, we will just click on lesson plans right here. As you can see, it gives several different lesson plan ideas for the water cycle. So let's do water cycle relay race. So as you can see here, it gives the summary of what the lesson plan consists of, the materials you'll need, and then my favorite part of UEN is the background for teachers. Obviously, we cannot be completely educated on every single content area ever. So this just kind of gives a good background of how to teach your students and what content to teach them as well. It also has instructional procedures. And if we go back, there are several more that we could use as well. So this is a great site for finding all kinds of different resources, not just for science or the water cycle, really any content area.